I thought I would take a moment to do a plant showcase. So I wanted to showcase this beautiful plant right here. This is a dwarf variety of cherry tomatoes. It's a tiny tom. I grew it originally from seed, and then it grew into a full plant, did pretty well, got some cherry tomatoes from it, and then as it started kind of making it to the end of its life cycle, a clipping of that plant and rooted that clipping. Okay, so it's been about a week that we took these clippings, and you can see all of the roots that have developed, and at this point these are ready to go in a hydroponic system. As you can see, all of these little tomatoes on here. And if I lift this up, you ought to be able to see the root system. I don't want to damage it. There we go. And this is just a Maxwell House coffee can that I've painted purple. Oh, got some dead leaves falling off. So this is our first hydroponic plant showcase. I'll try to keep producing this as a series, so as I'm working on editing longer videos, I will do plant showcase videos. Thanks for watching.